below. A brilliant but troubled medical researcher just discovered the real cause of type 2 diabetes and created a solution that could end type 2 diabetes forever. Early last year, Dr. Taylor of Newcastle University solved a medical mystery. He discovered the real cause of type 2 diabetes, and it's not what doctors thought. The truth is, it's not about skinny versus fat, it's not about how much fat your body stores. It's about where your body stores that fat. Type 2 diabetes occurs when your body creates fat deposits in one deadly location in your body. Armed with this new discovery, Dr. Taylor created an at-home method to destroy those diabetes-causing fat deposits. He proved his method works in scientific trials, and now his method is available to the public. You can try it for yourself today, and never again have to stick yourself with painful test needles. To start using Dr. Taylor's at-home method to destroy your type 2 diabetes, click the link below.